Okay, this video is about how to attract 1,000 plus ideal B2B buyers without paid ads. Most B2B teams struggle to build a pipeline without spending thousands on ads. Organic reach feels slow, unpredictable, and unclear. But here's the reality. You can attract 1,000 plus ideal buyers without spending a dollar on ads if you follow the right system. This video will walk you through that system step by step. Every action here is clear, measurable, and proven to work, even if you're starting from scratch. You'll walk away knowing exactly what to post, where to post it, and how to convert views into booked calls. Quick heads up, you can download the doc I'm using in this video if you check the link in the description. Let's get into it. Clarify your ideal buyer with absolute precision. Before you build an audience, you need to know exactly who you're attracting. Create a one-sentence ICP summary. Write a single sentence that describes your buyer using this structure. We help job title at company type who struggle with pain get outcome. For example, we help heads of RevOps at $5 to $20 million SaaS companies struggling with pipeline visibility hit 95% forecast accuracy. Avoid broad statements like, we help businesses grow. That won't attract qualified leads. Define three non negotiable traits. List three specific criteria every ideal buyer must meet. Example, works at a VC backed SaaS company, has 10 plus sales reps, owns the CRM tech stack. This helps filter content to resonate only with buyers who can actually buy. Identify three trigger moments. These are events or problems that make your offer urgent. Examples: they just hired 5 new SDRs. Their churn rate spiked. They missed 2 quarters of revenue goals. These moments will shape your content later. Common pitfall to avoid. Don't confuse broad personas with real buyers. Saying marketers or founders is too vague. You need to speak to specific purchasing decision makers in clear scenarios. Build a magnetic LinkedIn profile that converts visitors. Your profile isn't a resume, it's a landing page for buyers. Number one, write a headline that speaks to a pain and outcome. Use this format. I help title go from pain to result without objection. Example, I help SaaS RevOps leaders go from missed forecasts to 95% accuracy without rebuilding their CRM. This turns your profile into a value magnet. Number two, replace your about section with a three-part offer story. Break it into the problem your buyers face, the solution you offer, a clear CTA to reach out or book time. Keep it readable, use short sentences and spacing. Number three, add a Calendly or form link as your featured section. Your audience needs a frictionless way to take action. Link directly to a call booking form or a lead magnet that captures emails. Number four, add social proof in your experience section. Include many case studies or client results as bullet points. Example, helped a Series A SaaS reduce CAC by 38% in 60 days. Troubleshooting tip, if profile views are going up but messages aren't, your headline or CTA is likely unclear. Rewrite using your ICP's exact words, not internal jargon. Post weekly content that attracts and warms up buyers. You don't need to go viral, you need to be consistent and strategic. Problem posts call out a pain they're facing. Example, forecasts were 40% off. We fixed it in 3 days with one CRM change. Want to see how? Solution posts show how to fix it, ideally, how you fix it. Focus on clear, actionable steps they can implement. Proof posts share a win story or case study with real metrics. Include specific numbers and time frames to build credibility. Content structures, content structure best practices. You are greater than me ratio. 80% of your posts should be about them, their wood, their goals, or their world, their goals. Only 20% should talk about you or your offer. This keeps engagement high. Hook, body, CTA structure. Hook, call out the pain or benefit in one sentence. Body, add 2 to 3 short paragraphs with a real example. CTA, and with a prompt like DM me if you're facing this now. Publish at the same time each week. Stick to 1 or 2 consistent time slots so your audience learns when to expect value from you. Common pitfall, don't copy viral styles from B2C influencers. B2B buyers want clarity, not entertainment. Focus on pain, process, and proof. Turn engagement into qualified conversions. Posting is half the work. The real ROI is in DMs and calls. Reply to every comment with a question. If someone engages, respond with a question related to the post. Example, totally agree. Are you seeing this with your SDR team too? This opens new natural conversations. Message new followers with a value first DM. Send a short 2-line DM that gives not pitches. For example, thanks for the follow. Just shared a framework on solving XYZ. Happy to send it over if useful. Many will say yes. Open the door to deeper convo. Book a call using problem language. Don't say, would you like to explore a demo? Instead say, sounds like you're dealing with a problem. Would a quick 15-minute chat help? Map next steps. Track all warm engagement in a simple CRM or spreadsheet. You have the name right here, John Smith. His role is head of RevOps. Company is SaaS. Trigger moment, missed forecast, last message, sent framework. And then same thing for Sarah Jones. You have her as the VP of sales in in a tech corporation, hired 5 SDRs, booked a call. Troubleshooting tip: if responses drop off after the first message, you may be switching to pitch too fast. Add 1 to 2 value first messages before suggesting a call. Multiply reach through micro distribution and community loops. Don't just post, distribute with intention. Repost on 1 to 2 additional channels weekly. Take your best LinkedIn post and send it as an email. Post it on Twitter or Threads. Share it in a Slack or Discord community. Same idea to a new audience. Comment weekly on 5 buyers-facing accounts. Leave thoughtful comments, not self-promo, on posts your buyers follow. This builds visibility by association. For example, if your buyers follow Chris Walker, leave insights on his posts twice a week. Launch a simple solo newsletter for deep content. Send one valuable insight per week via email to everyone who engaged with your posts or downloaded the doc. This keeps you top of mind even when you're not ready to buy. Ask power users to share or tag someone. Once you build rapport with a buyer or peer, ask, hey, think this post would be helpful to someone in your team. They'll often tag or share. Pitfall to avoid: don't rely on algorithms. Build your own manual distribution system. Control your reach instead of hoping for it. Measuring your progress. Key metrics to track: profile views weekly, post engagement rate, DM conversation started, calls booked, content distributed, or content distribution reach. Every step in the system is measurable. Track these metrics weekly to see what's working and what needs adjustment. Most B2B teams are see significant growth in pipeline after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent implementation. 1,000 plus ideal buyers, the potential reach of this organic system when implemented consistently. $0 is the ad spend and the total advertising budget required to implement this system. And 12 is the weeks um, for the average time to see significant pipeline growth with consistent execution. Conclusion: your path to 1,000 plus ideal B2B buyers. Let's recap what you just learned. You now have a clear 5-step system to attract 1,000 plus ideal B2B buyers organically. Number 1, clarify your exact buyer. Define your ICP with a 1 sentence summary, 3 non negotiable traits, and 3 trigger moments. Number 2, turn your LinkedIn profile into a conversion engine. Create a magnetic headline, 3-part offer story, and a clear call to action with social proof. For number 3, post 3 strategic content types weekly. Rotate between problem, solution, and proof posts using the hook body CTA structure. Number 4, turn comments and DMs into booked calls. Reply with questions, send value first DMs, and track engagement systematically. Number 5, distribute your content with manual consistency. Repost on additional channels, comment on buyer facing accounts, and launch a simple newsletter. Every step is measurable, every tactic is proven, and none of it relies on paid ads. If you want to shortcut your setup, download the doc I used in this video. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. Go take action. Your next 1,000 buyers are already online. Now you know how to reach them. Take care.